Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Trust Wallet. Firstly, launch Trust Wallet on your device. This can be either with a browser extension or your smartphone. Log into your account using your password and biometrics to scan if needed. In the Trust Wallet, find and tap the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. You'll see options like send, receive, your wallet balance, and transaction history. Just tap send to proceed. Next, enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to transfer, and tap preview to review the transaction details. Finally, review the withdrawal details, including the estimated gas fee, recipient's address and amount. Ensure all information are correct and confirm the transaction. Your withdrawal should be completed within an hour, depending on the cryptocurrency. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.